What do these streets tell you? If you look closely and listen carefully, on a quiet enough day, you'll hear their stories.
He was so kind. He had white hair and a white moustache. And I just remember spending hours and hours just looking at him sometime.
Drunks walking home from the Labour Club down the road, like disembodied tall ghosts.
The wind blowing into my chest, taking me off the ground.
When I was a boy, they told me about a whale that had come to Merthyr. So I went down by the old iron bridge, and there was this huge dead whale. It had swum up the River Taff to die in Merthyr.
Other. Old fighting young, past fighting future. All of us fighting our own shadows.